Yo my guys, in tutorial they can teach you guys how you fit change the color of any object in Photoshop. And by the end of this lesson, you guys will see how I change the color of these images. So make we dive in. Okay guys, so I get this image for here where I go like we change the color of the dress she dey wear. There are so many ways of achieving the same effect, but I can teach you guys the simple and easy way to go about this. Okay, so first we go use either the solid color adjustment layer or we go use the hue and saturation adjustment layer. So we could dive in. Okay, so I will first unlock the image for here and then duplicate them. And then I will select my quick selection tool for here and then make a selection of the dress she dey wear, since that's what we are trying to change the color of. I go zoom in so say I go get my selection precise and correct. Okay, so I go zoom out. So with my selection made and me being satisfied with it, I go click on the layer max icon for here to max out my selection, and then I go click on the adjustment layer icon for here to bring out my adjustment layer options, and then I go select solid color, and then I go change the color to any color of my choice. Here I will go with the purple, and then I go right click and then create clipping mask for here. Okay, so I go with my adjustment layer selected, I go click on the blending options for here and then select color. Voila, see we've done the changing of the dress. Okay, if I toggle, if I off that layer, you will see the before and then after, before and then after. Okay, I have this Apple image tool for you where I go like to demonstrate the other method of achieving the same effect. Okay, so following the same procedure now, I go first unlock the image and then I go duplicate them, and then I go come select my selection tool for here and then increase the size. So say I go make my selection. Okay, so as right now I make my selection where I be satisfied with them now. I go click on the layer max icon and then to max out my selection, and then come and select the hue and saturation from the adjustment layer panel, and then click on this small checkbox for here to select the colorize option, and then you go fit change the color of this thing. But before then I go right click to max on my selection, since I just want change the color of the apple and not the leaf. So I go change the color for the hue slider, and then come to the saturation to either make it deeper or lighter. So you go fit play around with the slider to select the kind of color you want. Yes, then voila. Same way, if I toggle it off, you will see the before and then after, before and then after. Yes, so this is the simple way of changing a color of anything in Photoshop. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Kindly like and subscribe to Kojo Cube Studios for more Photoshop tutorials and tips. See you guys in my next lesson. Bye bye.